Before this video gets started, a word from our sponsors. How's it going, everybody? Before this video gets started, for real, I do want to let you guys know a couple different things. Number one, this video was genuinely the most terrifying video I've ever filmed. For context, it was really the one time while filming a video on this channel where I genuinely thought I was going to see a ghost, and me and my mom went through it when it was really foggy, so you could not see the other end. It was pretty scary, not gonna lie. I was so scared to go through that. You guys have no idea. So hopefully you guys do enjoy this footage, and hopefully you guys do enjoy this footage, and cue the intro that I just made a few days ago. Hope you guys do enjoy. Let me know what you thought of the intro down in the comment section down below, and let's get into the video. Alright guys, we're about to go through this train tunnel here, me, my mom, and my dog, Moki. We've got our iPhone flashlights, so to Johnny Ives and Steve Jobs, you bums, don't let us down. This is terrifying. Whew. Oh shoot. Oh my god. This is really creepy.
Do they go through to the other side?
I believe it does go through the other side. This is really creepy.
Anything with it?
Nice and calm. Nothing's gonna hurt us. We're okay. We're okay. It's just a tunnel. This is
Fog. You look in the back.
Yeah, no.
Like that way.
Yeah, I don't want to think of that.
Oh.
I think I can see the other side.
Where?
The light must be.
I do see something. Looks like light.
Yeah, don't say that.
Light in the tunnel.
Shh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I see the other side. You have no idea how scary this is. And I know a lot of you guys out there can't see this. This is creepy.
Foggy.
Shh. Oh Jesus, what is that? What is this, rocks? What?
I'm just saying, no screaming or anything, okay?
Shh. I'm not gonna scream. Almost to the other side. Just don't say anything, start on. I'm really nervous.
I can see the other side.
Shh. I just have to walk back. I'm so scared, it's not even funny. And we still have to walk back to the other side. Shh. I'm just trying to focus on that entrance. This isn't the creepiest thing I've ever done on video. I don't know what is. Holy fuck. Alright guys, we made it. I literally cannot stress to you guys how much I am literally about to shit my pants right now. I am terrified. Oh God, please, Jesus, Mom. Alright guys. Well, that's cool. Yeah guys, we just walked through that, me, my mom, and my dog. Like I said, probably not the best footwear. That was really creepy. I cannot stress to you guys enough on how creepy that was. That was nuts, guys. I don't know how else they could have. Okay. Yeah, so anyways, guys.
Let's go that way so I can get a picture of you.
Now, hold on. Let me hold these glasses. Here, I can do it now. Here. Can we? Alright, guys. This is fucking nuts, dude. Here. That was... Bop. Okay, I just thought of a fun idea, Mom. What? We have to play a song off my phone we're going through the next time in. Oh God. Here, take the dog. I need to get photos.
If they put a bike path, oh, there's water on the other
If they
side.
took a bike path through here, that would be freaking cool.
Yeah.
You could probably bike through that. All I need is
Yeah, what are we doing here?
getting some photos. Alright guys, sorry guys, I'm going to end the video here. I want to end the video itself. I'm going to get some photographs, some pictures, so I'll put those up on screen, so let's get some